Hi and welcome to the next tutorial. In today's lesson, we will learn how to do calculated queries and use the if statement using Microsoft Access. So anyways guys, let's jump in. So we have a sample database here, and in this database we're in the invoice table, and inside the invoice table we have two currency fields, the amount owing and the amount paid. The first thing that we are going to do is we are going to create a calculated field that will subtract these two values together and find out if this person, actually has a balance left that they need to pay. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you are in your invoice table. So you can come over here and just double click, I'm just in the invoice table. And then what I need to do is I can click to add a calculated field. Now this calculated field is also going to be a currency field, and so it will return back the result in a $sign. Now what pops up is the expression builder, and the expression builder is quite intuitive, and you've got a lot of fields down here and your functions are in here as well. So you can do this two ways. You can actually write the field yourself, or you can just press tab and then it will pop up, and then you can write your formula that way. Or what you can do is you can just click these things as well. So if I say amount owing minus the amount paid is going to give us certain values. And so this is, I'm just going to call this field balance. And so now you can see here that, this is now dynamic. If I go and change this, so let's say for example, this person has actually paid $165, then my balance is 0. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to create an if statement, and we're going to have two values for this if statement. If the value of the balance is 0, then we're going to write a message saying thank you for your payments. If the value of the balance is greater than 0, then we are going to write a message that will say, please make sure you pay on time, or something like that. So anyways, to create an if statement, again, it's very simple. We just have to come down here, go to calculated field, but this time we're going to just pick text. So now that we're in the expression builder, and you can find all your functions down here. So if you just press I on your keyboard, you have the if function down there, or you can just simply write it up here. So what we need to do is we need to find the field that we're going to be working on, and it's going to be the balance. And we're going to say if the balance is greater than 0, then comma. So the true part is going to be if it is greater than 0, please make your payments. And then we are going to press comma again to get into the false part. And I'm just going to open up with those quotations. And then if it's not greater than 0, I'm going to say thank you for your payments. And so once you've done that, you can then close the bracket, press OK, and now you can see here I've got all those people that are on 0 are now have that message, thank you for your payments, and the other people are please make your payments. So I'm just going to call that a comment. And yeah, and that's about it for this lesson. So you can see here clearly that if they have 0 balance, then you get a message, thank you for your payments, etc. So let's say for example this person has paid all their money. Alright, it automatically changes, and that's about it. Anyways, I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.